Hello to you all, Tekyaz managers, sales and technical staff, sub-resellers, customers and prospects. As the founder and CEO of SolidCAM, I could tell you that nearly 40 years of continuous development and also constant interaction with the feedback and requests from our customers, SolidCAM has reached today to be in the leading CAM position in the world, seamlessly integrated in the leading CAD product SolidWorks. I'm sure all of you agree. You will watch today in this event the major advances in SolidCAM 2021 in all modules: iMachining 2D and 3D, milling 2.5D, milling 3D, simultaneous 5-axis, advanced mill turn, and Swiss type. You will watch our amazing new tool table and our new SolidCAM simulator. SolidCAM 2021 is the best CAM solution both in terms of CAM functionality and ease of use, and in addition, it supports all types of CNC machines: milling machines, turning machines, mill turn, and Swiss CNCs. SolidCAM 2021 is the result of intensive 3-year development and QA effort. Nothing will make us happier than to see all our customers on valid subscription using this latest version and gaining all its advantages. So why is it so important to be on valid subscription? You see, the SolidCAM product development is moving so fast. You have to be on constant valid subscription to get our latest version in time and to enjoy our all innovations that will put you in the cutting edge of CAM technology. In addition, by being on valid subscription, you will get the best close support of Tekyaz and its sub-resellers' technical staff all year round. By the way, Tekyaz has been chosen as our best reseller worldwide in few years in a row, and I'm sure they will stay so for few more years to come. Now, I want to talk to you again about iMachining, which I mentioned in the beginning. iMachining is our innovative patented technology that we have invented and that revolutionizes the work in the machine shop. iMachining 2D was launched in 2011, and it supports the roughing, semi-finishing, and finishing of prismatic parts. iMachining 3D has been launched in 2015, and it supports the roughing and semi-finishing of complex 3D parts. So why is it so important that you get iMachining in your machine shop? I will tell you. Every machine shop in the world wants to save cycle time. Also, they want to increase tool life, and also they want to avoid the trial and error guessing game of cutting feeds and speeds for all types of materials, cutting tools, and CNC machines. iMachining provides you all these three advantages. First, iMachining saves 70% and more in machining time, and this has been proven at thousands of customers worldwide using iMachining every day, and you can read about these successes in our website. Also, iMachining increases tool life 5 times and more. And again, this has been proven at all customers using iMachining. The unique iMachining technology wizard automatically calculates the optimal feeds and speeds at every point of the morphed spiral iMachining toolpath for all types of materials and cutting tools. iMachining guarantees that there is a constant force on the tool at every point of the toolpath by varying the cutting angles and feeds. If the cutting angle is increased, the feed is reduced. If the cutting angle is reduced, the feed is increased. No other CAM software in the world can provide you that. I could guarantee you that investing in iMachining 2D and 3D will be the best investment decision you make in your machine shop. So to summarize, SolidCAM 2021 is the best CAM solution today, seamlessly integrated in SolidWorks. To get our latest and greatest version, you have to be on valid subscription. And in addition, by being on valid subscription, you will get the best technical support from Tekyaz and its sub-resellers. And last but not least, get the iMachining 2D and 3D technology. It will guarantee for your business profit and success. Thank you all for attending this event, and I want to wish you a successful year 2021. And thanks again to Tekyaz staff and sub-resellers for giving our customers the best support all year around. Enjoy the event.